What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino. This is the Progress Bar. And ladies and gentlemen, I love lamp. I love lamp. And not just because there's one behind me. I love lamp. But what I love more than lamp, I love you guys. And that's why today I'm bringing you a tropical cocktail that is named after a quote in one of my favorite comedies, Anchorman. And this cocktail is called I Love Lamp. And it was created by Jordan Brower over at Mayahuel in New York City. Now, I've had the cocktail before. I actually made it over on my Instagram channel. You guys go ahead and check that out. And when I first saw the cocktail, I thought it looked really nice and I loved the name. I thought it was hysterical. But then I looked at the recipe and I said, that looks actually pretty interesting. See, it uses rum, which is very common in tropical cocktails. And it also uses tequila, which is very common in tropical cocktails, and banana liqueur, which again is very common in tropical cocktails. But using them all together, now that ain't so common. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that for you guys today. But before I do that, I'm gonna need you to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around because we're gonna book you down.
I love lamp.
Do you really love the lamp, or are you just saying it because you saw it?
I love lamp. I love lamp.
All right, let us look at what is in the sauce for our I Love Lamp cocktail. The first thing you're gonna need is 1 ounce of pineapple juice, okay? I'm gonna be using the Trader Joe's cold press, which I absolutely love, but you should feel free to use whatever pineapple juice you have, all right? And the next thing I'm gonna do is 3/4 ounce of lime juice. All right, I've got my super juice here, but you can use freshly squeezed, or if you wanna use the stuff in a bottle, feel free. And then we're gonna do 1/4 ounce of an agave nectar or syrup. All right, 1/4 ounce. Here you go. I don't use agave nectar or syrup too often in cocktails. I do it when I make margaritas, but I don't drink too many margaritas on my own. I usually make them for the old lady, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of banana liqueur. I've been using this a lot over the summer, so I'm running low on my homemade banana liqueur. So I may make my own again, or I may just buy some of the Tempest stuff. I love that stuff too. Okay, then we're gonna do 1 ounce of an aged Demerara Rum. Okay, I'm gonna be using El Dorado 8. And then you're gonna want 1 ounce of a Reposado Tequila, and I'm gonna be using Espolón. All right, beautiful. And then last but not least, you're gonna need 4 dashes of Angostura bitters, which I absolutely love and I've used in the previous cocktail when I made this previously on Instagram. And today I'm gonna be using these Trader Joe's classic bitters that I bought. I love these things, man. I don't know, I really enjoyed them, so I'm gonna be using them in this cocktail, but you can use whatever aromatic bitters you like, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, a little bit for extra, there you go, all right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some ice to my shaker. And we're gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, folks, I think we shook this bad boy up enough. You're gonna be serving that in a rocks glass, which I've got here with a big old ice cube in the middle. All right, there you go. All right, excellent, excellent. Let's get all the way up there. Let's get all the way to the top there. Absolutely beautiful, perfect, all right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and just garnish that with a couple things. I'm gonna have a little fun here, folks, all right? Okay, I'm gonna put a little pineapple frond. There you go. And then I'm gonna put a little lime wheel and a banana chip over the ice cube here to float. And there we have it, folks, our I Love Lamp cocktail. All right, so let's go ahead and give our cocktail a sippy sip. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's so delicious, guys. I love how the agave nectar and the syrup actually helps to push a little more of those tequila notes out there, so the agave doesn't get lost. And then the Demerara Rum with its deep, complex, rich notes, because it is an aged one, definitely show up, delivering some beautiful vanilla and some caramel stuff. Of course, the banana liqueur is there, not overwhelming the cocktail, just a beautiful accent to the cocktail. Oh yeah, it's delicious, guys. And of course, the pineapple juice just brightens it up, makes it really tropical feeling. And you can see why someone would love lamps after drinking this bad boy. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed this cocktail. I hope you get to make it. If you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring. And when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. And stay classy, San Diego.